Everyone assumes a used Bentley means bankruptcy, and for most models, that's true. One wrong engine choice can cost you $15,000 in a single repair. But some Bentleys break that rule completely. One hides a VW-sourced engine that's dirt cheap to fix. Another shares its entire chassis with a Porsche. These are the 10 best used Bentleys you can actually afford to own in 2026. Number 10, 2006 to 2012 Continental Flying Spur, W12, the budget boss, $20,000 to $30,000. This is your cheapest ticket into the Bentley badge. It promises full W12 luxury for the price of a used Honda. The W12 is really two VR6 engines fused together. That makes it smooth. It also makes it a nightmare to service if neglected. Buying tip? Insist on service records showing the vacuum lines were already upgraded. If there were, the block itself is genuinely tough. Number 9. 2019-2023 Bentayga V8, the Urus loophole, $85,000 to $120,000. This SUV shares its platform with the Lamborghini Urus. Yes, really. It also shares its chassis with the Porsche Cayenne. Skip the heavy W12 version entirely. The V8 is lighter, sharper, and far less prone to front-end wear. Buying tip? Check the active anti-roll bar joints for leaks before you buy.
Number 8. 2015-2018 Continental GT V8 S, the Audi sweet spot, $60,000 to $85,000.
This generation switched from the heavy W12 to a proper V8. That V8 comes straight from the Audi RS7. It's lighter, sharper, and dramatically cheap to maintain. Buying tip: any independent Audi mechanic can service it. That alone saves you thousands over the life of the car. Number 7. 2014 to 2018 Flying Spur V8, the executive bargain, $50,000 to $75,000. Same idea, four-door version. This sedan uses the identical Audi-sourced V8 as the Continental GT. Skip the W12 trim completely. Buying tip: the V8 model is lighter over the front axle. That means the air suspension lasts noticeably longer. Number 6. 2015-2020 Mulsanne Speed, the depreciation dream, $90,000 to $140,000. This is Bentley's flagship, and it depreciates hard. Original buyers paid over $300,000. You can now buy one for the price of a loaded pickup truck. The 6.75-liter V8 produces 530 horsepower and 811 pound-feet of torque. Buying tip: that torque figure is genuinely one of the highest ever fitted to a production sedan. Number 5. 1999 to 2009 R&HT, the 6.75-liter Dinosaur, $28,000 to $45,000. This is old-world Bentley, before Volkswagen fully took over. It runs the legendary 6.75-liter twin-turbo V8. That engine architecture traces back to 1959. It's mechanically simple by modern standards. Buying tip: that simplicity makes it genuinely serviceable by independent classic car mechanics. Number 4. 2021-2025 Bentayga S, the facelift Vault, $140,000 to $180,000. This is the facelifted, corrected version of Bentley's SUV. Early Bentaygas had real electrical gremlins. Bentley fixed that by switching to Porsche's digital architecture. Buying tip: the result is the most reliable SUV Bentley currently builds. Number 3. 2010-2012 Continental Supersports, the 700 HP monster, $55,000 to $75,000. This is the most extreme W12 Bentley ever built. It was tuned to run on E85 ethanol fuel. That fuel burns cooler, which, ironically, makes this one of the toughest W12s ever produced. Buying tip: production numbers were tiny. That scarcity means it's actually holding its value, not crashing. Number 2. 2022 to 2025 Flying Spur Hybrid, The efficiency cheat code. $130,000 to $160,000. This is the most efficient Bentley ever sold. It pairs a twin-turbo V6 with an electric motor. Combined output is 536 horsepower. Buying tip: plug-in hybrids only work if owners actually plug them in. Ask for a battery health report before buying. Number 1. 2020 to 2025 Bentley Continental GT V8, the MSB masterpiece. $150,000 to $190,000. This is the best engineered Bentley in the brand's modern history. It's built on the same chassis as the Porsche Panamera.
That means genuinely sharp handling, not just a heavy luxury cruiser. Under the hood is the same 4.0-liter Audi-sourced V8. It's mated to Porsche's dual-clutch transmission. Buying tip: this is the closest thing to a flawless modern Bentley. Which Bentley would you actually trust? Drop it in the comments. Subscribe for the next brand.